Hello, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Joe. I own the VUG local jewelry store in Salt Lake City. Today I'm going to be talking about my flex shaft, which is a very important, one of the most important tools as a professional jeweler. This brand is a Fordham. There's also Dremel makes one. The flexible shaft, the motor, the flexible shaft, and the handpiece. This one is on a foot pedal, so I can easily control the speed or when to start and stop it. Basically, I've got tons of jeweler's bits. I use diamond tools, setting tools, ball burrs, all kinds of different things. Very important tool for shaping, grinding, filing. In fact, I use this in place of hand files quite a bit. Great tool for all-around use, and you can also use it for stone carving or drilling. Just a great all-around tool for anybody to have starting. These do come without the flex shafts. It's just a little bit more easy to use it with the shaft and definitely the foot pedal.